Wellbeing strategies support learning and engagement in the classroom. Circle time can be used as a relational teaching strategy in any classroom setting.
Morning girls, last night I sent you an email that had today's prac on it. We're going to run through the safety precautions, and to do that we're going to set up our circle the way we would normally do. So when I say go, I need you to move around this bench and the demonstration bench, and then we'll look at the safety requirements for the prac. Okay? Off you go.
Note how this science teacher can bring a circle together quickly without moving any furniture.
All right, girls, we're going to talk about the safety requirements. We'll go over some of the specifics for the risk assessment for the equipment a little bit later. But in general, what sort of things do we need in terms of safety for prac work? Susanna?
We've got to wear lab coats and glasses when we're doing the prac.
Thanks, Susanna. Susanna said we needed to wear lab coats and goggles. What about gloves? Do you think we need to wear gloves for this prac, Georgia?
Probably not, because it would make it a bit difficult to deal with all the wires. I think we only need gloves for experiments that deal with chemicals.
Yeah, fantastic, thanks. Thanks, girls. That basically covers the general safety equipment. But what about the particular equipment we've got here today, the electrical equipment? What do we have to be careful about now? Maddie?
Oh, well, we need to make sure that there's no twists or kinks in the wire before we begin the prac, so it's safe.
Okay, girls, that basically covers the safety requirements. The risk assessment's up the front if you need to refer to it again. What I'll do now is I'll show you how to set up the equipment so you feel comfortable with it. Okay, girls, as we said in the risk assessment, we need to make sure that the cables and the wires are all undamaged. So we'll lay that out. 2 green wires, and they just connect to the 2 terminals on their ticker timer. Once you do switch it on, girls, it'll start to make this ticking sound. Thanks, girls, off you go. Thanks, girls. Looks like you've about finished the prac, so what I'm going to ask you to do next is to form a circle the way we normally do around the desks, and we'll talk about packing up properly. Okay, off you go. A few more around this way. Okay, so what sort of things do we need to keep in mind when we're packing this prac up, girls? Ready?
Make sure the equipment is cool before we put it away.
Fantastic. Julia?
We have to make sure that we wrap our cords back up to their original state.
That's right. Okay, that's good. What about the actual power packs? Where do we need to put the power packs? Laura?
We have to make sure that the power packs are put in their right place so people can access them safely next time.
Excellent. Power packs, of course, they go out through the corridor into the cupboard. All right, that's about it. Thanks, girls. Off you go.